Tetra Pak Factory OS provides guidance for operators, allowing them to make quick decisions in operations. The 2020s have been an exciting time for technology. This excitement has brought challenges for our customers. Firstly, we have a younger workforce. They have high expectations of technology, and also they don't spend so long in positions. Secondly, we have a need for information from actionable data. Thirdly, cybersecurity. Cyber attacks on businesses have increased, and they are now attacking factories. Tetra Pak Factory OS provides guidance for operators, allowing them to make quick decisions in operations. It stretches data in a way that we allow analysis of historical events, but also provide real-time data for operational excellence. Lastly, cybersecurity is built in from the ground up, not bolted on as an afterthought. These three factors help Factory OS drive productivity.